Hello everyone, myself Pramod Kumar, an admin HR professional from the Indian Institute of Management Udaipur. I would like to welcome all on the second international cloud-based presentation, that is the literary based study on cloud computing for health and sustainability in view of COVID-19. The modern age of technology is trending with digitalization and reshaping the business around the world. Advancement of new technology and innovations are transforming business in numerous ways and creating a whole new business computational system. Cloud computing is one of the fast emerging into a large scale computing system with seamless access to virtually limitless resources. The brief history we can say as reference to the phrase that is the cloud computing appeared as in early 1996 with the first known mention in a COMPI internal document. The cloud symbol was used to present network of computing equipment in the original ARPANET by as early as 1977 and the CSNet by 1981. Both predecessors to the internet itself, the word cloud was used as a metaphor for the internet, and a standardized cloud like SAP was used to denote a network on telephony semantic, and also used for refer a platform for distribution computing as early as 1993. The cloud computing is the delivery of computing services like cloud-based storage, database management software, analytics, and moreover the net or cloud computing is practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage, process data rather than a local server on a personal computer. Cloud computing is a model for enabling ubiquitous, convenient, on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources. These are the main characteristics of cloud computing. The main types includes IaaS, PaaS, SaaS service models, that is infrastructure as a service, as for example Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure. Platform as a service, PaaS, example Heroku, Google App Engine, Red Hat's OpenShift. Software as a service, that is SaaS, like Google Application, Salesforce. The most top clouding computing companies nowadays are Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloudform, Adobe, VMware, IBM, Red Hat, Rackspace, Oracle Cloud, SAP. When we see the advantage of this cloud computing, we can brief in as this cloud computing provides us flexibility of operation in reduced cost, improved productivity, reliability and security of data, ease the speed of operation and having a boosting performance all around. Now we can discuss on the models of the cloud transformation model, that is public cloud, community cloud, hybrid cloud, private cloud, and the cloud computing. All the systems in the working environment are really very important nowadays, and the application of cloud computing in the healthcare system have created a much impact in our daily life. The application of cloud computing in healthcare system like telemedicine, that is the cloud storage, is a data storage service that can be used for storing, sharing patients' data during teleconsultation, tele-follow-up and tele-education program, like cloud-based 12-lead ECG for telecardiology, video cloud services for telemedicine and telehealth services, clinical research, electronic medical records, collaboration solutions, big data, health information exchange and medical imaging, as well as the mobile computing and also the medical transcription, one of the most enabled technology with audio video file transcribing systematically rapid in the healthcare system. Even having all this system application in our system, in our daily life, we can also think about the discourse of the health risk issue associated with this cloud computing system. Some cloud security has been assessed, identifying, gathering risk-based data, and literally we know that is some policy risk, legal ethical privacy risk, failure of cloud access risk, access of data risks, unauthorized risks, cloud-based privacy and security. These are called the data that are always used to be sometimes in the threats while using the cloud computing system. We also using the SWOT analysis that is called the strength, weakness, opportunity and threat, where we can just imagine the strength of this cloud computing like cost effectiveness, innovative, flexible and cost reduction, whereas the weakness has high speed internet integrated with the local energy saving, better ability to expand, software lack, commitment to control, QS legal, ethical and privacy laws. Opportunity like this is the latest technology, minimum investment, adapted to future requirement, whereas the threat concern also the data security, loss of connectivity sometimes, integration with the another platform, lack of standard. So now we can concluding in a very brief way that is the health care consumerism is a underlying trend and ultimately making cloud adoption essential to provide success. According to markets, the global adoption of cloud service in the healthcare will grow from $3.73 billion in 2015 to nearly $9.5 billion by 2020. Such predictions are no longer surprising as a cloud is a topic nearly every IT strategy meeting. Predictions and importantly test driving and cloud today will form an essential foundation for the future of the healthcare industry. This cloud application can transform the healthcare system from capital intensive to pay per user model. Envisioning a futuristic technology, we can simply enter our health concern and symptom along with details, insurance, get advice from a physician in real time and electronically receive prescription, order medicine along with the doorsteps. All this without any appointment, visiting a healthcare facility or pharmacy, or have a leave the comfort at home during the informative. With increasing the evolving adoption of cloud computing, this scenario has become a reality. Globally, the healthcare cloud computing market is expected to grow at a compound annual growth of 20%, exceeding USD 15.5 billion by the 2024. Cloud computing offers immense potential to transform the healthcare landscape by redefining system, process, and informatics, enabling innovation, drawing insights from the monumental data, and lowering cost, increasing efficiency, personalization, while adhering to the highest standard of security, privacy, and compliance. Therefore, adoption of cloud computing and implementation for the best practices, deployment, a use of it will hopefully generate a future growth and sustainability of the cloud-based system adoption despite of all odds. I owe my acknowledgement to this paper to my inspiring, my family members, my son and my wife for their unconditional love and support. I would like to express my special thanks and gratitude to Dr. S. Sridhar Sir, ex-Vice Chancellor, for his immense support in finalizing this paper. Once again, I thank you all for this patience hearing and giving me an opportunity to reproduce, to present my second and third paper on this cloud platform. Thank you so much all.